Hello people, it's Dave from Technically Dave TV, and today I'm going to take you guys from stress to success in hiding your mounted TV wires to make them more streamlined. So stay tuned and watch what I go on. So here's what you need, guys. What I have here is a 39-inch, 2-inch wide TV wire cover. Pick it up from Amazon. I leave a description in the link below. I have warm soapy water, matching paint for the wall, paintbrush, bubble level, and a pencil. And the TV wire cover. Try to get it straight the way I plan to install it. And then I'm gonna make some markings with my pencil. So what I'm gonna do now is clean the area. Now that the wall is dried, I'm going to remove the protective strip from the adhesive so I can properly install it on the wall. So I'm going to press and hold. Press and hold for like a minute. Alright, so I'm gonna open it up and conceal the wires inside.
A few moments later.
So yes guys, so far I got all the wires inside, and this particular cover is a snap-on. So you snap it from the edges, from this side. You just tuck it in like that. What I ordered was beige, but this beige doesn't match the wall. So what I'm gonna do now, because I have matching paint for the wall, so I'm gonna paint it. So guys, I'm gonna do this all the way down and maybe give it another coat. So stay tuned to see what it looks like when I'm done. Yes guys, as you can see, I've finished painting the wire cover, and it has been like 10 minutes or so, and it's becoming more and more of the same texture as the wall, and the more it dries, the more it's gonna be like the wall.